Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how the Planner Labels die set works with the Retro Labels clear stamp set, the Retro Labels Sayings clear stamp set and the Circle Label clear stamp set. Before I start, don't forget to download the free project sheet for measurements, supplies and step-by-step instructions. So these are the die sets, so these are the labels die set. It also comes with the hard reinforcements and the basic page I cut out of the Planner Essentials 4 die set. Let me turn this around. So what I do, I stick my magnets to the packaging so you have some nice ideas on the back from Esther. And then these are the stamp sets I used. They're a little bit, so these are the labels, and then these can be combined, you see, so this one fits in here. So these can be combined, and then these are the circle stamp set. So what I started with, so these are the two the basic pages, and then I have two beautiful pictures of my grandson Tom. I met those on black cardstock, and then the page itself I used the Brusho, so I used two colors, so I have the Sandstone and the Cobalt blue. And you spritz a little bit of water. There are YouTubes about that. Spritz a little bit of water and then you get the color burst on that. And one of our design team members, Femke Kokke, she uses that a lot as well, so you can watch her YouTubes. So what I would like to do first, so I think I'm going to do the pictures like this, so Tom kind of points out to himself. So what I want to do first, I'm going to stamp a few stamps on the background there. I'm going to use those circle stamps for that. I did one already. And because it is soft finish cardstock, it has a little bit of structure. So it doesn't need to be perfect in this case, that's fine. So just it's basically going to work as a background. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't count yet, but so I'm kind of, if I know where those pictures will be, you see, so this kind of go here, and this going here, so, you know, this will be fun. You see, like that, that's going to cover a little bit, going to be covered by the picture. And I'm going to do a few more. Oh, perfect is fun, because I think he's perfect. Yeah. I have fun grandkids. There you go. So that's that, and one more on the other side. And then I'm going to show you what I did with the labels. Showtime, it's always showtime with Tom. They were actually dancing here as well in so this is in Canada where they live. So that's just some background stamps there. And then what I did, so I took all these dies. I had black, the white soft finish and some Kraft cardstock, put the double-sided adhesive on the back, and then just die cut everything once. And then I did another one that I don't have the paper from anymore, but I took an old book. I have some old books because this kind of works nice with the colors. Some old books, also backed it with the tape. And then just die cut that as well. So buy some old books, it's fun to use. And then I also stamped all those label stamps, and I just stamped, and these ones you can cut out very easily because they're all, and we have a circle die that fits as well, so you can just play with that. So these are basically the things that I played with. So the white, black, the book and the Kraft. And then of course I have all those reinforcements, so let's start with those. I'm going to put those on, also of course with the double-sided adhesive on the back. So when you put that adhesive on the back, of course it's very easy to stick them on. Use my tweezers to line them up. Of course, if you want to do them upside down, sideways, that's all good. That's what's so fun with this line. You can do whatever you want. And I have to say, if you go to our family page, we have people posting there. And if you see what people do and create with the planners already, it is so much fun to see. And of course, there's a lot of other things on the family page as well, from our other designers. And of course, the Elizabeth Craft Designs page. The last one. Okay, now I'm going to position the pictures. I need to put double-sided adhesive on the back of those. And then we're going to attach the labels. So I prepared some labels. And that's what you can do as well, because then if you make kind of a batch, you can just use it on the go. Oh. This is important stuff. I agree. I always agree with my grandchildren. Oh, all the way around. Otherwise it would really be showtime. So those are the pictures. And then I'm just going to, oh, this one I want to have on because it says Mount Norquay, Banff, March 2019, because that's when we were there. And then I want to have this on. Yes, you can, because I like to have my grandchildren believe that they can do anything they want in life. So let's put that one here. So you can really play with it. And I know Femke made some really nice pages as well. And then she put it on the side and kind of trimmed it, which is great as well. So hello everyday life. And my children are blessed to live in beautiful Canada. It's a reinforcement. And then I have one that says brilliant. My grandchildren are, because that's my grandchildren. So everybody thinks that from their grandchildren. And then we have the This is Love. Photo of the day. Here with his hat. Okay, and I think, you know, I'm going to put some white gel pen probably here, just to get rid of the black a little bit, because I like white gel pen, black pen, that's always great to use. Then I will say Tom here. And then just one little line with the black here. And then the other labels I can use on other pages. So the black line again doesn't need to be perfect at all. And then I can write a little story here maybe. I actually went skiing with him just before here. I went skiing with him, but he's 2. He's not like a sister yet. He did not like it, but that will come next year for sure. So I think those are fun pages. So thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple of videos I think you enjoy as well. And don't forget to download the free project sheet. See you next time.